The manufacturer stated just tighten the canvas up. Well, that's all well and good until you come over here and you see, so there's the cylinder from the top canvas, there's the cylinder from the bottom canvas, and then it goes down to the motor here, right? This chain is already super tight. I don't want to tighten it anymore. So I'm looking at this from two different perspectives. One, I'm going to get some bolts that are longer. So that motor on the bottom is held there by 4 bolts. I'm going to get 4 longer bolts, connect it, and basically move that up and gain some height and gain some space so that I can then tighten the 2 canvases. So this one here tightens this way. No, wait, hold on. Yes, that's correct. To tighten it, I would move this one this way and that one the other way. And by doing that, I am making this chain even tighter. While this thing doesn't fly, it goes slower than a bicycle chain. It's so tight. I need to buy some wiggle room. And to do that, I'm going to need to get some bolts and essentially raise this up, put another nut in as a spacer, find some legitimate spacers probably because I'm going to have to go to the store anyway, and get that motor up so that I can get some more space in here. While we're over here, let's just mention the wiring ridiculousness. It will be fixed. I have some aluminum that I can put in here. I did already rub something down there and the fan wire got exposed and shorted out. So I fixed that, got everything secured. But anyway, the other way that I'm exploring addressing this is by getting these brushes lower, right? Just lower down. And honestly, it's just this center part that needs to be lowered down. You can see the play that's in that. So tightening is the better option, but lowering might also work as well. I'll try tightening first. I took this apart because I wanted to kind of understand how it all went together. It's very simple, but again, I'm not a mechanical person. And so taking things apart helps me out a lot better and figure out solutions and ask for help, quite honestly. That's why I took this apart. I found these. I can't recall what they are, but I did find them so I can get replacements. I'm also going to get basically replicas of everything. So when one of these controllers shorts out, I can just replace it. That way I'm not down.